In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to set up and customize your website. If you're new to Wix, don't worry, I'll guide you through these steps in a simple and understandable way. To start, open your web browser and go to the Wix setup page by typing the URL or clicking the link provided. This will take you to a setup screen that's designed to help you organize your website's essential features. It's your control center where you can manage all aspects of your site in one place. Once you're there, you'll find an array of options to help you set up everything from basic design elements to more advanced features. Next, you'll want to move into the Wix editor. To do that, go to the editor page where you'll be met with a blank canvas ready for your creativity. Within the editor, there's a myriad of customization options, but let's focus on adding elements to your page. This is an important step because elements like text, images, and buttons are what give your website its unique look and feel. Start by locating the Add Elements button. Once you click on it, a menu will appear, displaying all the elements you can add to your page. Explore the options to create a personalized site that truly reflects your brand. After selecting Add Elements, find and click on Gallery. A gallery is a versatile way to showcase images on your website. Whether you're an artist, a business, or just someone sharing personal photos, galleries can make your content stand out. As you explore the gallery options, think about the type of experience you want your visitors to have. Then within the gallery section, look for slider galleries. Slider galleries provide a dynamic way to present multiple images stylishly, adding interactivity to your site. By selecting this, you can bring a more engaging feel to your online presence. Once you're satisfied with your choice of gallery, proceed by clicking on the template you prefer. Templates are pre-designed layouts that help you maintain a cohesive design while saving you time on formatting. They give you a polished look with less effort, making your website development more efficient. Scan through the available templates and select one that fits the aesthetic and functionality you're aiming for. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Click on the Save button, which is usually located at the top corner of the screen. Saving ensures that all your edits are securely kept and prevents any loss of progress. It's a good habit to regularly save your work, especially when making substantial changes to your website. That's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully navigated manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com, giving you a solid foundation to build and enhance your website.